Hello, today we are looking at the Gemini Jet's Virgin Atlantic Airbus A330-900 in 1/400 scale. As you can see, it comes packaged in this nice presentation box, which has an image of the plane on the front, identical to the one found inside, the airline, and the model of the plane. Again, Virgin Atlantic Airbus A330-900. On the back, we have another image of the plane, just on the opposite side of the one from the front, and some information about what a Gemini jet is. Looking back to the front, you can open up this little window, and you can see the plane inside without having to take it out. So you can have it on display like this if you so chose. And then on here on the lid, we have a little history of the A330-900, as well as specification information here, such as length, height, and wingspan in feet and inches. And there's some other information you might like to know, such as max takeoff weight, cruising speed, range, and things of that nature. Now let's open up the box and have a look at the model itself. See, it just pops out like so. Just remove a piece of plastic, a little covering there. And there you have it. The Gemini Jet's Virgin Atlantic Airbus A330-900 in 1/400 scale. And as you can see, this is a highly detailed die-cast metal model. Let's look at some of the details now. As you can see on the wings, you can see the flaps, the ailerons. We've got very nice detailed wingtips here. As you can see, looking very nice. You can see on the inside, we've got little symbols on them. We've got very nice detailed jet engines, as you can see here. Looking around bottom. Looking at the underneath, you can see what very nice detailed landing gear, little rollable wheels. Got a little space for a stand here in the middle of this Virgin Atlantic writing, with a little Gemini Jets logo here. Moving on to the tail, you can see on the stabilizers the flaps and the elevators on the horizontal and vertical stabilizers. Looking at the cockpit, it's very, very nicely detailed. Now, of course, this is the A330-900, which is part of the A330neo family of planes. Let's look at the livery itself. You can see the big Virgin Atlantic writing in purple, and the metallic-looking white and red on the fuselage, with Virgin written big on the vertical stabilizer. You can see here we've got a registration of GJVIR2181. And then looking here at the front, as you can see, we've got a little mascot here carrying a UK flag, as it says right above British flag carrier, and underneath is the name of the plane, which is Billie Holiday, and is named after a famous jazz singer, as all Virgin Atlantic planes are named. Turning around to look at the other side of the plane, as you can see, the detail continues all across this plane, not on just one side. Now this model has a wingspan of about 16 centimeters and is about 15.9 centimeters long, so it's a very nice sized detailed die-cast metal model, and it's available now from modelcorner.co.uk.